This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Terrific home in great condition on a larger lot, so there is breathing room around it. Open living, dining, kitchen plus a powder room on the ground floor. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths plus laundry on the second floor. The seller has consistently maintained and improved his home, including roof replacement, and exterior siding repair and paint. Additionally, in preparation for sale, fresh interior paint and additional upgrades including brand new side-by-side refrigerator/freezer and gas range. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.